Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the 10th floor building at 58 HWT Road. This is it. You can see it's moving very quickly. I must say, this building is going up in record time. Okay, so this building costs US 12 million and it's actually a part of the 58 HWT Tech Center. They have other buildings. As we're driving out, you're going to see another one, and it's operated by a call center. So this entire complex, the 58 HWT, it has 5 buildings. And of course, this one is going to be the tallest. A building was actually here before, and they demolished it to build this one. Now, the call center industry in Jamaica is doing very well. So they are actually building buildings now to facilitate the call centers. Before, it was a case where the call centers would rent a building and renovate it and set up. And this building is going to have 126 square feet. It's a massive building. Alright guys, we're just giving you an update today to show you what's going on. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about how quickly this building is going up. It's a Chinese contractor, not sure which one, but it's definitely a Chinese firm. Alright guys, have a good day.